Let's make some omelets. All right, so we got some bacon grease on here. We got some, I got everything turned down way low because I don't want to burn the eggs. So we got eggs here. See that? So I'm gonna grab, we're gonna go like this. We're gonna get one of these per omelet. Oh, there's an egg that wasn't, come out.
Leave it.
So we're gonna, all right, this omelet sucks. We're gonna, that's fine, that's fine. We're gonna go like this. All right, that's that omelet. We're gonna do another one. So these are gonna be tomato, bacon, and mozzarella. And I gotta recenter this griddle because it's yeah, these aren't working out. This may not be a video. All right, let me get some eggs or cheese. All right, so now we're gonna put some mozzarella in here. They don't have to be pretty. We're gonna put some tomato on there. Get on there. All right, we're gonna let that cook a minute. Oh, and bacon. We want bacon on there too. So I'm gonna we have some bacon cooked up a bit earlier. Kind of break it up. All right, mozzarella, tomato, bacon. Just fold them over. So these shapes are a little funny because they're not one to fold over. But remember, omelets don't need to be pretty. Let's flip this over and see what happens. Yep, that one gonna remake this one. All right, this one's just gonna be a egg mess with tomato and bacon and mozzarella. And this one's gonna be the actual omelet. All right, we're gonna make my omelet next. So you'll see.
How can you get in the right? You just get that yellow sun.
All right, that's somebody's awesome breakfast for dinner. This one is somebody's awesome breakfast for dinner that understands that sometimes things don't go as they're planned. All right, so let me, so everything is on low. So we're gonna try this again, except now I'm gonna make mine. All right, here we go again. All right, this time I'm making mine, which is gonna have hash browns and bacon. And let me pause here for a second because I'm going to get cheese. No, I'm going to use mozzarella. 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 All right, ready? Here we go. A tiny bit more. Quick catch it before it goes all the way. Throw the cheese down. Some bacon. Three pieces for me. Here, one of these hash browns we made earlier. Let that cook a minute. Get these eggs out of the sun. And that, my friend, is an omelet. Alright, I gotta make some more. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.